So what you can also do is you can work around with the raw photos inside a Photopea. So if you have a raw photo, then you can actually utilize the Camera RAW editor as well to get more details out of the photos. So to do that, if I were to go around onto File and click on Open right here, then I can simply go around and open out my raw file right here. So I'm just going to go around onto raw image right here, where I have a raw image of ARW format, which I'm going to go ahead and open up. So once I go ahead and do that, it loads up the raw photo right here in the raw photo editor right here first. So now in the raw photo editor, you can see the histogram over here on the top, and you can change around the exposure of the raw photo right here. So with the raw photo, you can make major edits and the quality still remain intact. So you can change around the exposure, or you can type in the value as well, just like this. And that is the brightness of the image right here. You can change around the contrast right here to change around the difference between black and white as well. And you can even work around with the highlights to work around with just the bright parts of the image. But I'm just going to go around and decrease out the highlights a bit right here to get a bit more detail out. And with the shadows, that is the dark parts, you can get more detail out right here and increase out the brightness of the shadows as well. So apart from that, you can work around with the whites, which is simply the white parts of the image again, and you can work around with the black parts right here as well. And of course, you can work around with the contrast right here and the exposure to balance everything out as you want. So in the histogram, you really want to see all of the major areas right here. So let's just go around, decrease out the whites right here, and change around the highlights right here, and so forth right here. So apart from that, you can also work around with the temperature right here to make it more warm or make it more cool, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can go around and choose the temperature that you want. You can change around the tint to make it more pink right here, or to make it more green as well, just like this as well. So let's just go around and make it a bit more warm right here, just like this. So you can also work around with vibrance and saturation. So saturation affects out the overall color of the image, but vibrance only works around and affects out the weaker colors right here. So usually I like to have the vibrance up and saturation a bit less to have more balance to it right here. So apart from that, you also have option for texture, as you can see right here. So you can go around and get more details out right here, just like this. And you can also work around with the clarity as well to go around and then get more sharpness out of it. You can have the dehaze right here to remove the haziness of the image right here, just like this, to get more details out as well. The space we're working with is RGB, but you can work around with other space and other bit depth as well. And once you're happy with the edit, you can download this as a JPG format of image, or you can click on open right here to open out with Photopea right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with Camera RAW. So once you edit it, and it opens up, as you can see, with the initial edit done. And if you want to access Camera RAW for regular pictures as well, you can actually go around onto filter, and then over here you can see that Camera RAW is an option right here, and it opens up the image in Camera RAW from there as well. And that is how you can work around with Photopea's Camera RAW as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.